Coffee pack drawer holds up to 36 K-cups. 3 easy open drawers for conveniently organizing, loading, and removing K-cups. Durable design that supports the weight of a coffee machine to prevent bending. Soft, anti-slip pad on bottom protects tabletop surfaces. Mirror finish drawer handle for a sleek and modern style. Dimensions: 13.5 by 12.9 by 2.5 inches, LxWxH. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality. The storage is lightweight. The plastic is a good quality. Perfect for storage our coffee. And we put a different flavor in each drawer. We totally recommend. Great buy.